Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Poco C65 easily. Alright guys, so if your cell phone screen suddenly turns yellow like this, then you don't need to be worried because it could be that you turn on a certain feature that you didn't realize before. And to overcome this yellow screen is quite easy, so now without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then here you can scroll down and go to display. And after that, now you can go to reading mode. Now because this feature is on, of course your cell phone screen becomes yellow. And to return the screen to white, we just turn off the feature like this and the screen will return to white like usual. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Poco C65, and then thank you so much for watching.